Cleaning my shelves off. My collection of chickens. My favorite. Anyway, that's why I'm doing this. We just cooked Ron on the pit pot. So we are going to slice it. Juicy, did you say juicy? Look it. Nummies. Nummies, nummies. Nummies. Oh, juicy. Want some? Open up. You can just see it, the gloss and the shine. Nummy, nummy, nummy. I'm not a chef. I'll leave that for Cheeks. Cooking with Cheeks. If you guys haven't seen her videos, I've learned so much. Especially if you want to cook Mexican food, I would recommend Cooking with Cheeks on YouTube. She teaches us how to cook Mexican food the real way.